There's a saying that goes, life is what happens when you're busy making other plans. But what if I told you that the very essence of life, the cells in our bodies, are also constantly making plans and executing them? Welcome to the fascinating world of cellular biology. Today we're diving deep into the microscopic universe within us, exploring how cells function and contribute to the miracle of life. Cells are the basic building blocks of life. They are the smallest unit of life that can replicate independently. Although tiny and invisible to the naked eye, each cell is a bustling metropolis of activity. Inside every cell, there's a nucleus, the command center. The nucleus contains our DNA, the blueprint of life. It's the DNA that instructs the cell on what to do and how to do it. But DNA doesn't work alone. It teams up with RNA, a sort of messenger, to carry out its instructions. Then there's the mitochondria, often referred to as the powerhouse of the cell. This is where the cell gets its energy. The cell uses this energy to perform various tasks, from repairing damage to replicating itself. And let's not forget about the cell membrane, the protective barrier that keeps the inside of the cell in and the outside out. It's not just a wall though, it's a gatekeeper, deciding what gets in and what stays out. Now imagine billions of these cells working together, each performing their own tasks, yet all contributing to a common goal: keeping you alive and healthy. It's a level of cooperation and coordination that's truly awe-inspiring. But cells aren't perfect. Sometimes they make mistakes. And these mistakes can lead to diseases, including cancer. That's why understanding how cells work is so important. It can help us find ways to fix these mistakes, to cure diseases and improve health. So, what have we learned today? Firstly, cells are the fundamental units of life, with each cell functioning like a miniature city. Secondly, each cell has a nucleus that contains DNA, the blueprint of life, and the mitochondria, the power plant of the cell. Thirdly, the cell membrane acts as a protective barrier, controlling what enters and exits the cell. Lastly, understanding how cells work can help us find ways to fix cellular mistakes and potentially cure diseases. Understanding the microscopic world within us isn't just fascinating, it's vital. Because when it comes down to it, we are all just a collection of cells, working together to make life possible.